my first gift to everyone. Yeah, I'm starting to do this. Okay lang. Ito guys, ang mga gift ko sa kanila. Tapos, susuotin namin yan. So, yan guys. Yan ang gift ko, bibigay ko sa kanila. Ano pwede ko na ibigay while you are eating? This is my gift to Jinlet. I welcome to Jinlet. Merry Christmas. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Jinlet. And
Thank
then
you.
for Nilda, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thank you.
And then for Fields, Merry Christmas for you from my heart.
Thank you.
And then, to myself! To myself! Ibabalik ko dyan kasi para yan sa aking sarili. Merry Christmas. Isa
Thank you
lang.
so much.
Okay? To Ate Elena, Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. For Jennifer, Merry Christmas. Okay, accept.
Thank you.
Welcome. Then, Maria!